We often get questions about out-of-state trusts, offshore trusts, international trusts for many different reasons, but it's usually because somebody saw it on Instagram or TikTok and thought, oh, that sounds like a good idea for me. There's jurisdictional limitations to a lot of the types of trusts that people, see online. We'll often see people ask for things like South Dakota or Wyoming or Nevada trusts because they're considered more protective trust states. But the issue is if you don't live in those states, the law and the assets and the trustee and all that kind of stuff of that state is not going to protect you here in North Carolina. And there's a recent, IRS and Supreme Court ruling to that effect, where even a trust made in another state like Wyoming or South Dakota was able to be, penetrated or applied the local law of the state where the actual, client lived. With offshore trusts, with out-of-state trusts, we have to have property located in that state or country. We have to have a trustee that's holding that property in that state or country. And so we lose a lot of control and use and enjoyment of our property in order to avail ourselves of the protections or the benefits of those trusts. And so often when we get down to the practical aspects of trust planning and the actual use of our property over time, most people don't want to utilize those types of trusts just because they're not a perfect solution.